market is taking an absolute nosedive. Right now it is 11:15 on December 28th. Just wanted to just talk about the market, my thoughts, what's happening, and hopefully just bring some good vibes, despite this free fall. My whole portfolio fell a huge percentage today, maybe like 4%, maybe more actually, I'm not sure, but I had a good amount of cash on hand. I was kind of predicting some fall like this. I mean, not trying to like toot my own horn, I'm just saying I did, that's why I got into cash. Which kind of stinks because I took some eBay trade on the other day. I added to positions in MTA as well as Procter & Gamble. Just dumb stuff like that. I just added more money into the market when I shouldn't have, because, again, this whole like virus thing still going around and numbers are increasing in the United States. We have this whole election and political like fiasco. This game we're playing with the government and politics and people's lives and money is pretty sad and scary. And the fun will continue, I guess. If you that's being sarcastic though about that. I think I was look at the SPY. I guess QQQ or the SPY. I think QQQ we got to like 270 to fall just based on this past support resistance area. We got a lot of price action. Hold above here. The SPY. I guess the SPY might actually hold here. That's actually interesting. Look at that. Fell off the cliff yet. There we are on that trend line. The SPY I actually think will hold here, which is weird because I don't feel like it should, but I think it might because of just that trend line. If it does break the trend line, or if it holds above then goes down, 321 is the next price. About probably just based on technical wise. And AG is one of my biggest positions, down 10% right now. I don't know if I want to add. I should, but I don't think I want to. My position is already big enough. As of this morning, my average cost is 12.45, so about 21% down. Big hit. Earnings are next week. I'm really hoping NEM has earnings tomorrow morning. Man, do I hope they do good, because if they do good, that should boost the gold and silver, like, miner sector. KL I did add yesterday too, because I saw it was kind of down, and it tanked again. This is my favorite gold miner. NEM's bigger, but I think this for dividends, growth, as well as just the mining space. This company's no debt. I love this company. I think it's in a good spot to buy. I think I should probably buy more, but again, they have earnings on the 5th. Same thing with AG, I think the 5th. This is a good price zone. Wow, yeah, this is a really good price zone, actually. I would like to see some little hold above this, though. Like, it's kind of like, I don't like just buying stuff like, especially when I bought yesterday, then it tanks 5%. Although this is a better buying opportunity. 3M, even though they had decent earnings report, in my opinion, I don't think the market's too happy. That's cool. We're actually on this is a 1 year. Oh, never mind. What else kind of hit is tanking today? What's Tesla doing? Tesla still like within the channel, kind of holding above it. Probably will. UPS fell off earnings, but it looks like it's holding it. Oh, that's actually a lot of price buying activity right here. Look at that. I'm surprised it didn't actually hit down there. Workhorse, I actually had that trade on. I took that off way up here, I think. Maybe even higher, maybe around here. And yeah, look what it did. That's kind of surprising. It is falling right along this trend line. That's a beautiful trend line. Oh my gosh, that's cool. 14 bucks. That is such a good support. Look at that. I think it'll hold there. Just based on, again, this price action, what happened here. I think got extended here. Everything going on, we're gonna see lower prices, but this is pretty extended to the downside. It might go up again, but I think ultimately 14 bucks where it's gonna retest. I mean, gold and silver, I'm happy I don't have anything in gold and silver right now other than the miners. No GOD, no SLV. But yeah, SLV took a tank today. Jeez, I fell. I think we're gonna retest about 20 bucks. It just makes sense. I don't like 21.50. That's such a weird number to retest. But we'll probably see that on JDX. I thought judging by this, up move, pullback, up move, kind of pullback consolidation. I'm surprised it actually fell here. I think my predictions were it was gonna hold here and eventually go up, but this took a big hit. Just judging my past price action, 34.50 about here. That's where all these price actions, or even the wicks here, are holding above. This is probably a good area to retest. If not, this is a super strong 31, but that's a huge drop. I hope it doesn't get there or my portfolio is going to be like literally destroyed, but long run, I'm still pretty bullish on the gold miners. They definitely did have a big run, and now they're fading back to I think what they should be at. I just bought at some dumb times in some positions. Apple, let's see. Apple, I had a trade in Apple. I bought around here, I think, and it didn't hold above or something, and then I just got out. They have earnings tomorrow after market. They're probably going to do good. I don't see why they wouldn't, just, that's actually the trend line from kind of back here, last few months. That probably might hold. I don't know, though. What's taking a big hit? Bath and Body Works, or Bed Bath and Beyond. They're doing a share buyback program. Six Flags, I think, had earnings. They fell, kind of obvious. First Solar had earnings too. They did good, but then fell down. General Electric as well had earnings. Other than that, like Sony had earnings too. Wow, they're not doing too hot. If you have money on the sidelines, today is a good day to start adding to your positions in some things, especially these like dividend companies that are going to be around for a while. But again, I think we're probably going to see some more movement down. I think, wow, Kimberly-Clark is getting into really good territory. What happened to them? Let's put this on the watch list. Let's go to SPY. I think we are going to see some more downward movement just based on the whole virus situation. All this politic BS, and I think there's going to be a lot of deciding who's the president is going to be very controversial, very politically, like unrest, or political unrest. People are going to be mad. A lot of uncertainty. I hope it's not that, but I'm preparing my portfolio to take a hit. I don't know. Yeah, there's nothing in my portfolio I can sell except for eBay. This is the only trade I have on. I did add to ExxonMobil to kind of finish off my position. I'm not going to be adding unless it hits like 30 bucks, but I like to spot them in. Earnings are Friday. After that, I'll reconsider, if I'm going to buy more or just, I don't know, we'll see what happens again when earnings happen, but that's Friday. I'll be taking a good look pre-market. 8:30 a.m. Central Time, so it was at 9:30. I kind of want to take a look at Kimberly-Clark real quick. I wonder what happened. 132. Oh, and executive leadership changes. Let me see something. Let me see something real quick. Of course, my calculator's not working. 107 times 4 divided by 132.3. Let's do that. A 3.2 yield. Yeah, it's still not amazing, but I think starting in Kimberly-Clark, that'd be good. If this gets to like a 3.5 yield, I might consider picking it up. What would that be? Let's say it goes to 125. If it goes to 125, that'd be like a 3.4. It's got a full 6%. That'd be kind of spicy. Let's get a little marker. It's a pretty solid company, just for the cash flow, but see what happens. I think Microsoft reported earnings this morning or last night. Yeah, last night. I guess they didn't do too hot. But yeah, the market's probably going to continue, falling a little bit. But if you're in for the long game, at least, then again, the Fed is just printing unlimited amounts of money at 0% interest for at least till 2021, at the end of 2021. That just means, bro, that's sad. It's not a free market, and I think we're not going to get that for a while. You gotta put money in the companies that are going to be doing well, like Apple. Oh no, what happened? What was I just looking at? Microsoft. It doesn't matter. You gotta put money in the companies that are gonna be doing well, that the government's gonna select to win. Apple's gonna be one, Tesla's gonna be one. But I'll keep you guys updated on just my thoughts, my dumb thoughts, and what I think. I think Walmart's a good company, but it's very overpriced right now, or extended. anyways, it's just the dividend ratio for me is not that good, and I kind of want to get a higher starting yield. It's not all about starting yield, but it is kind of important. But yeah, today's a good day. Hopefully you picked up some stuff if you wanted a position in something. However, we might see some lower prices just until the election and that goes away. This on the SPY is probably going to push above maybe a day or two, then eventually maybe come down to here. I don't know. That's just my prediction. Let's draw it out just to see if I'm right or wrong. Always curious. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay safe out there. Just remember to stay positive, and remember what you're doing in your investing strategy, and just stay with it. So, adios. I'll see you.